Hello and welcome along to BalloonTube. Today we're going to do the tank. There it is. Now there are a few, I'll give it a 12 for you. There's a few variations. Yes, you've guessed it, on Balloon Chat. The body and the outer of the tank are 260s on this one, but you can do the inner section out of a 350. Well, you can do the outer section 350 as well, and I've even used a lime green geodonut for the turret as well. So there's quite a few variations, but we're just going for the simpler one that we might use in the real world. And that, or perhaps you wouldn't, I don't know. But anyway, here we go then. So you need your lime green 260. And there's about 4 fingers uninflated. All right, you're going to do a tulip apple twist, and quite a big tulip, deep. So get your finger, push the knot inside, squeeze the air a little bit, and with your other finger and thumb, get hold of the knot, and then with your thumb and this finger, just gently push the balloon off. There you go. So that's a good, probably a 4 finger tulip apple twist. Hold on to that knot and do a 2 finger bubble and do a pinch twist, but make sure the knot of the balloon is actually in the pinch twist, and then that won't then come undone. So it ends up like this. Squeeze the air. You need about a 5 finger bubble, then a 10 finger bubble. So if you just measure it back, you know that's going to be 5, and then you can squeeze the air along and go, that's going to be about 10, isn't it? So go for that. And then you need another 5 finger bubble, and that goes around the pinch twist. Alright, now we need this rest of the balloon, so deflate this in your favourite method, but don't use your teeth. And then, because this is sort of like this shape, you want it to go so that the 260 deflated goes round there, comes back, and gets wrapped around your pinch twist, and the pinch twist does sit underneath. There you go. It sits like this, and that's the inside of the tank. And as I said, you could make that out of a 350 if you wanted to make it a bit more chunkier. You know, I'm sure that's not the technical term for a tank, chunkier, but there you go. Now take your other 260. Chunkier, oh dear. Alright, and then whatever size you've got here, measure this up. Just put that there, measure it up, and you know that that's where you need to twist it to. So that should be about a 10 finger bubble, and it looks like it. Or from here it does, especially got my glasses on. You now need a 2 finger bubble, and pinch twist these together. These are going to be the corners of the tank. Then a 3 finger bubble, alright, because the centre is going to sit in here in a minute. Another 2 finger bubble, and twist this one to this one, and then just squeeze the air along. Measure that to there, you know that's roughly about a 10 finger bubble. Another 2 finger bubble there, twist this one to this one, and then your last 3 finger bubble, 2 finger bubble, and twist those two together. There you go. And then this knot will go around there, and I do like to take that knot, stretch it, and put it around the other one as well, just to secure it a little bit more. So, and then get rid of this in your favourite method. Don't use your teeth, that's terrible. And I'll just tie that up just for safety. When I'm out and about working, I probably don't forget it. So you end up with this, and then this part of the tank is going to sit in there. Yeah, that sits in there. Now for a long time I used to give it out like that once I put the tracks on it, and this would pop out. And then a couple of weeks back I had a good idea. And it's not often I get good ideas, so I was quite pleased. I'm going to explain it in a second. So once you're to there, now you can put 260s on for the tracks, if you like, but I'm going with 160s, and there's probably about 8 fingers uninflated. Alright, now you wrap this around one of the corner pinch twists, and then I generally have 6 2 finger bubbles going along the top. So these are all 2 finger bubbles. That's 3, 4. I'm going to get yourself a cup of tea while I'm doing this. 5. You got one more, hopefully 6. There you go. So that I think is 6. I'll just have a quick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That goes around the other pinch twist now. Then squeeze the air, and then we have another 2-finger bubble, but you're going to pinch twist that. So that sort of just looks like the tracks are going over the top of the tank. So that's right. And then you come back with another lot of 6 2-finger bubbles. Squeeze the air, make it a little bit softer. 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, 5, bubbles make 6. 6. There you go. And that goes around the other back where you first attach the 160. Don't forget your squeeze the air, make another pinch twist at the back. It just makes it look like the truck's really one. Now, you want to deflate this, but you want to keep it. So deflate it from here, alright? Because what you're going to do, this uninflated bit is going to go through the centre of your tank and attach to this other corner here. And then when you do the same on the other side, come back here, you've got 2 uninflated bits going through the centre, and this can't pull out. And that was my good idea of a few weeks back. Well, it might be a few months back. But anyway, so that, I'm not quite sure if it will. So this will pop out here, you see, and you're just going to push that through there. I normally do it all in place, but I was just trying to show you for the camera, really. And then that will go round there. Squeeze that back in. That's that section. I know this looks too big, but once you put the 160 the gun on it, it works out about right. We'll do the same on the other side. Get your 160, about 8 fingers uninflated, and then goes in one of the corners. Squeeze the air. You want 6 2-finger bubbles. About the same as you can, but what's that? Well, that's 4. 5, there we go, and 6. So that will go over this pinch twist on the other corner there. Well, they look a little bit on the, they might have been slightly more than 2-finger bubbles. So another 2-finger bubble here, pinch twist that to the back. And then put the 160 round there, so that's nice and secure. Squeeze the air and try and take your time, but make sure they are 2-finger bubbles so it sits nice. Not like me, because I rushed it a bit, it's a bit too high there, but it's nice that side of it. So we go, I'll show you that side at the end. So here we go, there's 2-finger bubbles. That's 6 again. Don't forget, if you can hit the subscribe button down there, or tell a few friends about BalloonTube, that would be great, or even Balloon Chat, that'd be nice as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, there we go. So once you've got your 6th one, that will go around this pinch twist here. Squeeze the air, your last 2-finger bubble pinch twist that. Oh, we didn't do that very well, did it? There we go. I got there in the end. Again, don't forget, deflate this at the other end. And that could go, then it goes through there, under the track, and down to the other side. And wrap that around. Alright, there we go. Throwing it all out. Oh, try not to drop it on the floor, if you can. Right. So here's your tank. And then what you have to do, you have to put the 160, here it is. You're not going to use all this, it's not really too important. You can probably get two guns out of the one. Do a small tulip apple twist, only just over a 1-finger bubble. 2 small 1-finger bubbles, and twist these 2 together and make them into pinch twists. So the 160 goes over the top. There we go. That will be the part of your gun. Probably only about a 4 or 5-finger bubble. And then you want 3 1-finger pinch twists. So do 2 bubbles like that. Twist it from out. That goes over the top. Squeeze the air, and you want 1 more bubble. That twist goes back into these 2 pinch twists. That gives you 3 pinch twists. And then the 160's got to go around the turret. So, and make sure it's quite nice and tight, so it's a snug fit. Wrap that round the pinch twist a few times, underneath the gun, round the pinch twist, and get rid of that in your favourite method. And then you've got to sort out all the pinch twists. They sit okay. There we go. That's in. Have a quick look. Not too bad. This can swivel around, you see. You can swivel it around, so it's quite nice that it's sort of semi-working, shall we say. Yeah, right. I've just got it's a bit unsquare. That's it. Right. Lovely. Perfect-ish. Alright, so there's your tank. Give it a little tour for you. And if you do subscribe, that's much appreciated. And we'll see you again on BalloonTube sometime.